Hi parents, teacher Ayu here, and today I'll be demonstrating to you another home-based activity that you can do with your child. It's a simple activity that requires little effort. First things first, you will need paper, scissors, and a marker. You will need to facilitate your child in creating a fruit out of the identified materials. The picture shown here depicts a pumpkin fruit with previously learned words from the story What a Clown. You may follow the sample given or even explore other fruits and other words. Be sure to write the words only at the edges of the fruit. So, let's begin! Each participant will receive a fruit and a pair of scissors. You will need to take turns in reading out the written words on the fruit. Parents may volunteer to read out first, while the child will find the word from his or her fruit. When found, he or she will use the scissors and make a small cut. I started off with a lowercase b. After identifying the letter, she goes on a word hunt. Once she managed to find it, I guided her to make a slight cut across the letter. We went on with the activity for a while until we cleared all the words and letters from What a Clown. Through this activity, children learn word recognitions, fine motor skills, aesthetics, and creativity. But most importantly, they have fun doing it with you. So, try it with them and get creative. Have fun!